Y'all, I know it's late. I'm finna show you how late it is. This is 3:05, 3:06 a.m. Um, so, yeah, cause it's late. You know what I'm saying? Let me cut these. Cause it's late. Um, I'm finna show y'all what's been going in my refrigerator. Oh, can I flip the camera? Okay, hold on. Y'all, this onion. You heard me. Oh, child, now I'm stuck. Y'all, the onion. I know that onion been in that refrigerator for at least 5 months. I kept saying, I'm gonna record this. Y'all refuse to throw it away, okay? Yes, honey. Um, what in the world? Go ahead, cut this TV out. Cause it's not 3:08. You know what I'm saying? It's winter time. That's why you see the sheets up on the window, okay? Cause we just got blinds up and yeah, child, a whole onion is growing on the onion, okay? Don't throw them onions away. If you ain't eating it, don't chunk it. You hear me? Don't chunk the Ooh, y'all gotta pee. Bye.